the Grand Combin. It isn't really a well-known mountain. Those who are chasing 4,000 meter peaks in the Alps, they will know it, and maybe people that have been to Verbier and saw it in the distance. Most people who climb this mountain will patiently wait for spring and bring their skis. That's what normal people do, and obviously this isn't us. We decided to traverse this in summer. Let's say the guidebook describes it as one of the longest and wildest tours in it. That sounds like a lot of fun, doesn't it?
Hi, my name is Max. I'm an outdoor and adventure photographer and also an alpinist. I'm on my way right now to Bush St. Pierre, and I'm gonna hike up to the Vasseray hut now, or probably half an hour, and we'll meet up there with Toby and a friend of him, and tomorrow we're gonna try to traverse the Grand Combin. Sweet.
Yes.
So,
Let's go.
let's go.
Let's go.
Das ist so ein verwendet. Das ist schön. We go. Wenig Blankheit, eigentlich gute Verhältnis. Wir starten trotzdem. So, noch ein Blick zur Modella Cot. Komm mal, relativ.
Here we are again, on the last meters on the glacier, and with that on the end of the dangerous parts. We're all pretty worked, but still in a good mood. And that mood would have been different if we had known that we still had 12 kilometers to go along the lake.
Was darfst du jetzt da noch zu dieser Tour sagen?
Mega geil, mega lang und mega anstrengend.
Ja, also jetzt das Restprogramm von 10 Kilometer rauslatschen ist halt einfach was für den erprobten Kampfwanderer.
Aber schön geradeaus am
Ja,
See,
genau.
ist nicht so sonnig. Also
Man muss jetzt nicht mehr denken, zum Glück. Ist gut.